Hey folks, I'm Bill Langer. You're watching Traditional Adventures TV. I hope you liked that part 2 of the forage build. Mr. Alex shot his first hog with a handgun tonight. Mr. Bobby Sanchez is helping him skin it out. Should be able to get right by it. I don't think you hit him right. Your arrow went right through here, I think. Do you think you shot under him?
I think so.
Shoot him. Got it. Good job. Let's watch him.
It was beautiful the way he dropped. So now we got some meat for dinner. We're pretty excited right now. So let's get some.
Hit him through the shoulders. Got him. Drilled him. Oh. Look at that.
I don't think we're getting that one out. Screw it. Huh?
The insert's just spinning. It'd be unscrewed by now. You're too old to be doing that.
You try.
Just grab it and pull it.
I tried. Maybe. Yeah, there we go.
Come on.
Cool. Nice.
So far it's looking good.
Oh, here's your pig, folks. Right here, dude. You can go very far.
How about like 10 feet?
Nice pig, folks.
Good eating.
Perfect shot. Look at that.
That was a great
Rib
shot.
bone sticking out and everything. Look, Dad right next to another pig skull.
What do you think, Bogues? You have fun today?
Nice.
Nice shot.
That's Billy brought us out on the afternoon. We came in, there's probably 10 pigs in here. And this little guy decided to stand up at the wrong time. Thanks, Bill.
No problem, Bogues. Excellent shot, man. Excellent. Bogey, you did a good job, man. That's you can't hit him any more perfect than that. Look at that. I mean, that is like textbook. Right in the pocket, midship. That's where a pig needs to be shot right there. Perfect. I like it. He will eat good. Hold on. Shoot the white one right there. You got him.
here on the 101. Got my very first hog first kill ever. It was set up perfectly. Got him right above the front leg there. He only made it about, I don't know, 30 yards. It was great. Couldn't be better here.
Metalhead! Dude. Killed him. Yes!
Got him on the move.
Yes!
Right there.
Yep. Good blood. There he is.
Yep.
Ho, ho, ho. You see him up there?
Yeah.
Nice. Good shooting, Bobby. Woo. Look at that.
We're running on day 5, and well, you can't eat toilet paper, so gonna have to eat this. And for all those people out there that are scared and maybe not know what's going on in life, and you know, you have to kind of go back to your resources and get what you can and get it how you can. And the grocery store isn't always going to provide for you. There's a lot of aisles that are empty, and there's a lot of people out there that are just plain old scared and will do anything for the simplest means that everybody takes for granted these days. And if this can, I don't know, inspire anybody to just be a little kind, and you know, you see somebody, help them out. This little guy helped me out today, and he's gonna help camp out, and well, we're just gonna keep doing. We need a stick. Tie him to for the pig roast.
Good job, gents. Drilled. Bam. Let's walk up there slowly. Nice shot. What do you say, man?
That's
Excellent.
awesome.
Good shot.
Been out here for about 2.5 hours tracking these guys. We saw them early on, and they got spooked easy. So just been trying to figure out where to get them. Came across them 3-4 times, and finally right here next to this beautiful swamp, they ran right into him, and he just walked out got separated, and took my shot. So luckily, nice clean shot. Ran maybe 20 yards, dropped. That's it. So it's a good day here at the 101.
Sure. You're a rock star, bro.
Right between the eyes. Did you get on video?
Hell yeah.
Thank you, Bill.
Single six.
101. Have a parade. No need for the grocery store.
I was probably about 25 feet or so. Drilled this guy here with the single six right through the head, right between the eyes. He didn't make it 5 feet.
Yeah, one right, but just hold on. Is that one in the back? It's the one in the far back there. Shoot him again. Shoot him again. Get after him, Bob. He's probably gonna be close. Do you see him? Go ahead. Go straight ahead. Hit him. Got him. Nice. That was a Russian bullfight.
It got real. And, well, I'm just gonna say, regardless, we're gonna eat. And we're gonna keep living. And the 101 will provide.
All right, everybody smile here. Oh, it's perfect picture. Ready?
Everybody say pasties.